eSilencers.com is not only the largest silencer dealer in Tennessee, but one of the largest in the nation. We serve a variety of customers from Alaska all the way to Maine. Our business model is to bring the one-stop shop experience to all our customers across the nation. Because just like we say in our motto, we make NFA easy no matter where you live. With our modernized system, we are achieving this goal. We have always been known to have the very best prices in the industry. However, unlike other online shops that drop ship their inventory and take upwards of 3 to 4 weeks to ship, our inventory is actually in stock and ready to ship, which takes an average of 1 to 5 business days to transfer to your dealer, including approval from the ATF and shipment. Our inventory has also not been handled by several customers like most traditional gun shops, so you're getting an actual brand new suppressor that has been tucked away on our shelves. Another thing that separates us from other online retailers is that we are here to answer any questions you might have. With the ever-growing confusion associated with this industry, it's important to have a knowledgeable dealer. Once you purchase from us, you're a customer for life, meaning you receive lifetime support. We also realize that the paperwork can be complicated and not every Class 3 dealer knows the lingo of the documents. With our easy Form 4 preparation service, we can handle your complete paperwork for just an extra $20. That way, when your dealer receives the paperwork, all you and your transferring dealer have to do is sign the paperwork and include the $200 check to the ATF. We can also handle and remotely store your fingerprints for free no matter where you live. With this service, you simply mail us one completed FD-258 fingerprint card and we store your prints. Then, anytime you need them, we will simply send you duplicates. If you buy a suppressor from us, they will already be included with your suppressor. If you have any questions about how we are making the NFA process simpler for our customers, feel free to contact us at 731-607-1502 or info@eSilencers.com.